Hello guys, today we are going to see how to set up Nagios on Ubuntu. So I'm already in admin. DC release, you can see it's Ubuntu 22.04. So make sure your system is updated with the latest patches. Then as a prerequisite, we have to install wget, unzip, curl, openssl, build essentials, PHP modules and all. You can see in this command. So I'm installing all the dependencies, and once these dependencies are downloaded, we have to download the zip file of Nagios from the official website by using the wget. You can browse for your latest version of that. As of now, it's 4.4.6. So I'm going to download that one by using this wget command. Yeah, it's done. Now I'm using wget command. I'm downloading this wgst and URL. So it's downloaded. Then we have to unzip this by using tar-zxvf and then the Nagios file. It will unzip now. So I can see it's unzipped to. Now go to that folder, and then we can see we have a configuration file configured. So run that by /configure. It will configure the files. So configuration is done. Then by using make all, we have to make all the files into executable commands. Once the make is done, we have to make and install groups and users. So I'm going to do make install groups -users. Once that is done, we have to modify the user, that usermod-a-g username Nagios. Then the group is www-data. That is done. We have to install Nagios by using make install. Once it is done, we have to install configuration scripts by using the command make install-init. Then we have to install configure permissions on the configs directory by doing make install-commandmode. Once that is done, we have to install sample config files by using make install-config. And then we have to install Apache files by using make install-webconf. And then we have to enable rewrite module for Apache by giving the command a2 en mod rewrite. Then we have to enable CGI config by giving the command a2enmod CGI. Simply use the tabs to avoid the misconfigurations or spellouts. And then we have to restart Apache service by using systemctl restart Apache 2. So it's restarted. Once it is restarted, we have to create a user and set password. For that, I'm giving this command. It's a htpasswd -c user local nagios htpasswd.users. The username I'm giving it as admin. So when you hit this command, it will ask you for the password. You can provide the preferred password. Again, it will prompt you for the retype password. Give the same password here. Then Nagios Core installation is done. Now we have to install Nagios Plugins. So go to your directory root, and we have to download the Nagios Plugins file by using same wget. You can directly go to this official website and get the link, and by using wget you can download that. So it's downloading the file, plugin file. You can see here Nagios Plugins. Then unzip this. Next we have Nagios-plugins. So you can see it's unzipped. Go to that Nagios Plugins folder. Now we have to configure the file here. You can see configure. So we have to configure this plugin with the username Nagios and the group Nagios, as we provided that. Configure with nagios-user equal to nagios -hyphen with nagios group equal to nagios. So it will configure the plugin, the username Nagios and with the group name Nagios, as we provided the username and group as Nagios while configuring Nagios Core. So we have to use the same. And so once this configuration is done, we have to use make command to make all executable commands and then make install. Yeah, it's done. Now we have to give make. Yeah, so by using the make command, we compiled Nagios Core plugins. Now we have to give make install. So this will install the compiled plugins. And once the installation of the plugins are done, we have to verify the Nagios configuration. So you can see this is the command user nagios bin nagios with-nagios.cfg. By giving this command, it will verify the Nagios configuration, and yeah, total warning 0, total 0, and this looks okay, no serious problems, no errors got detected. Then by using systemctl start Nagios. We started the Nagios service, and to make it enable, we have to give the command systemctl enable Nagios. And to check the status, give systemctl status Nagios. So you can see the service is running. And now the thing what we have to do is access Nagios by using web interface for that IP DDR. So my IP is 10.232.23.170. So let me drag this. My next window 10.32.16.170. Sorry, it's 23. Ubuntu page. To access Nagios, we have to give /Nagios. You can see. Incognito 10.232.23.170 /Nagios. So it will ask you for the prompt because I already logged in with the same IP earlier, so that's the reason it's automatically logged in. So initially we provided the username as admin, so we have to give that password username, and when we given that username, it asked us to give the password and retrieve password, so we have to give those details and click on login. You can see Nagios console here. That's it. Thank you.